everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your promotional product supplier business. If you are a promotional product supplier, then manually responding to all the product related queries can be a very time consuming process. So with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot which will respond to all the product related queries and automate this whole process on our behalf. Now, if you want to learn how to create this amazing chatbot, then let me take you to my screen. This is the WhatsApp chatbot that I have created for promotional product supplier business. Before we begin the procedure of creating this chatbot, let me show you how it works in a real-time example. And for that, let me take you to my WhatsApp screen. Here we have arrived on my WhatsApp screen, and to activate the chatbot, the user is supposed to send a message. So here I am going to send a general message like hi. And our chatbot responds with, welcome to Brandwise Promos. How can I help you today? And it has provided us three options. I'm going to select the first one that says view catalog. And it has provided us with all the products, images such as t-shirts, notebooks and USB drives. And it has also provided us with a clickable link of the full catalog. Next, I'm going to select the second option that says upload logo. And here I'm going to upload a logo image. Like this, I'm going to send my logo. And our chatbot responds with, we have received your logo design. Our team will review it soon. Thank you. And lastly, I'm going to select the last option that says track my order. As I click on it, our chatbot responds with, enter your order ID to check delivery status. Click on the tracking link below, and it has provided us with a clickable tracking link. So this is how we have created our WhatsApp chatbot for promotional product supplier business with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So if you want to create this, you have to visit Pabbly Chatflow's website, and for that, open a new browser tab. In a new tab, enter the URL pabbly.com/chatflow. And it will take you to the main landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are an existing user, click on sign in. However, if you are a new user, click on sign up for free. As I am already an existing user, I will click on sign in. And it will show me all the apps provided by Pabbly Chatflow. Here we have to access Pabbly Chatflow. So click on access now, and it will take you to the Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you will see all the features provided by Pabbly Chatflow. We will go through all the features one by one. First, we have Dashboard, which gives us an overview of chatbot's performance, recent activities and stats. Next we have is Inbox. Here we can manage and reply to all the incoming customer conversations. Next up we have Contacts. It stores all the details of users who have interacted with your chatbot. From here you can view and manage them. Then we have Team Queues. It helps us in assigning conversations to different team members for better handling and faster responses. Next up we have Template. It is a pre-built template which you can use directly or customize accordingly to your needs. It saves a lot of time. Next up we have Broadcast. It allows you to send bulk message or announcement to multiple users at once. Then we have Flows, where you can create and manage your chatbot conversations and create chat flows. Then we have AI Assistant, a feature to integrate AI-based smart responses, making your chatbot more interactive and intelligent. Then we have Settings. It manages your account preferences, chatbot settings, integrations and notification options. From Get Help, you can access support, documentation, FAQs or options to connect Pabbly customer service if you need any assistance. You can add your WhatsApp number on Pabbly Chatflow from here. Click on Add WhatsApp Number. Then you will get two options, WhatsApp Connect Beta and Manual Token Connect. Click on Manual Token Connect, and this will ask for Meta Access Token. You have to generate Meta Access Token from Facebook Meta for Developers. Once you generate your access token, you can update it here. Here you can see all the credits allotted, credits consumed, credits remaining and the amount of numbers you have added here. To know more about how to add WhatsApp number, you can watch this video here. Now let's begin the process of creating Chatflow. For that, go to Flow section and then click on Flows. You will reach Chatflow Builder page. Here you can see total number of flows, your active flows and inactive flows. To create a new flow, click on Add Flow. A new flow has been created. So when we create a new flow, it is initially named as Untitled. So I'm going to rename it as WhatsApp Chatbot for Promotional Product Supplier. Flow Start feature, under which we have an option to enter keywords. Here we can add some general keywords which can activate the chatbot. However, we also have an option to enter regex. Regex is short term used for regular expression, and it is a special pattern of characters which can activate the chatbot with any given keyword. To use regex, we have to use a specific format, which is this. You can also enable toggle for case-sensitive regex. Here we have an option to choose template, and when we click on it, we get a list of all the approved templates. You can choose any template to send to the user. Now I'm going to curate our first message with the help of text button, and here I'm going to add a welcome message. Like this, our message will appear to the user like this. Here with the help of add button, I'm going to add some quick reply options like this. Now we have to curate a response for each quick reply option. Let's begin with view catalog. And for this, I'm going to access this media button from here, and here I'm going to add image. Here I'm going to provide image of products one by one. Like this, and automatically a URL will be pasted here. So here I'm going to enter caption like t-shirts. And then I'm going to click on add content to add more media options. Here I'm going to choose image again, and here I'm going to provide another product like this, and automatically the URL will appear here, and here I'm going to add caption as notebook. Similarly, you can provide as many products as you want with the help of add content and by choosing media option. Select image, and here apply all the products like this. Here I have provided this caption. One last time I'm going to click on add content, and this time I'm going to access the text button, and here I'm going to add this message. Click here to get a full catalog, and here we have provided a clickable link of the full catalog. And this is how we have curated our first response. Now I'm going to move on to the next, that says upload logo. And for this I'm going to access the action type notes, and then I'm going to click on ask media. And here I'm going to link it to the corresponding quick reply option, and here I'm going to add upload logo. Please send your logo file here. You can leave the contact custom field empty. In media type, I'm going to select image, and here you can provide as many number of attempts as you want, and I'm going to leave the validation message empty. Next, I'm going to curate a confirmation message with the help of text button. Here I'm going to add. Here I've added this message which will look like this to the user. Lastly, I'm going to curate a response for track my order, and here I'm going to access the text button, and here I'm going to add. And here I've added this message which will look like this to the user, and here we have provided a clickable tracking link. So this is how we have curated a WhatsApp chatbot for promotional product supplier business. If you want to create the same, you can follow the same procedure as I've shown in this video, and once you have created your chatbot, you can save your flow from here, and once the flow is updated successfully, you're good to go. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any doubts, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write them on forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issues, you can visit our website given over here. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and try it for free.